Hola! Hi guys! This is part 4 of my DIY Christmas series. So I made 2 Christmas decor, Santa Claus, and my favorite minion. I hope you enjoy! So first is my Santa Claus decor. So cute! Okay, the materials are old CD, scissors, glue, pencil pen, cartolina, or any other glossy paper that you want to use, cotton balls and cotton, and of course the tie. So I looked for the cutest Santa Claus picture and I had to draw a bigger one. And then I trace it with pen and I trace it with pencil for my pattern. But if you have a photocopier, then you can just make one and cut the different parts. So you can use that pattern to cut the different parts of the Santa Claus. Of course, we need to use a very strong glue. So I attached the CD to the back part to make it very strong. And for the front part, the tummy, the face, the hat, the gloves, the pants, the shoes, and the very cute belt. And of course, the cotton ball. So now you need to draw the face. But if you have a photocopier, you can just photocopy this and then you just cut it and paste it. No need to draw. No need for you to draw. But me, I don't have a photocopier at home and it's locked down, so I need to draw it on that particular one paper. And see how cute it is. So cute! So cute! Then you can draw the other markings. You can use a ribbon for the tie, but I used red bias tape, and then of course the cotton for the beard. I decided to cut the feet part because I find it more cute. If you don't want to cut the feet, then it's up to you. Yeah, especially if it's swaying like that. So cute! Then another cutie, my love, my favorite, the minions. So materials are the same, and then I found this very old ribbon. The procedure is the same. I cannot stop myself from coloring it, and then trace, cut the pattern, cut the parts, and assemble. This is how you make the ribbon. Just fold it, put this tie, it's like a metal thing, and then put 3, and then you have a ribbon. So this is the minion Christmas decor that I made. It's so cute. Both are so cutie. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. Muchas gracias.